In a world of canceled plans and uncertainty, Zaya Active is pleased to announce Summit 2021.
Of course, this totally depends on local ordinances, vaccine distribution, and declining case counts.
Where you'll meet new people
I remember people.
and visit new places.
Oh, travel. I miss you.
Do you mind?
Sorry, got a little excited.
Experience the energy of Summit and the beauty of Salt Lake City in person or streaming to you live in the comfort of your home. We just don't know.
Nope, not a clue. Can't make plans.
But wherever Summit happens, there will be light. There will be community. There will be activity. There will be uplift. And most importantly, there will be you and your team.
And me, I'm so in.
Zaya Active Summit, September 2021.